Anyways, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level, and of course help you elevate your life as well to the next level. If making money online is your desire and your intention, on my channel I review cloud-based products, info courses and trainings that generally help you do exactly that. And today I have another amazing product called OrangeSuite. OrangeSuite is actually one that is going live on the 21st of April 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and of course that's New York time. And in a nutshell, it's a cloud-based software that will get you unlimited website hostings for all your sites, cloud storage for all your files, and high-speed video hosting for all your videos for a one-time low price. And of course, this makes you avoid monthly subscription fees, which are some of the things you go through when you have Dropbox as your cloud storage facility, or have any of these other, HostGator, for example, for hosting your website. All these things that you're supposed to get services for on monthly basis, subscription basis. This is what this very OrangeSuite actually helps you to prevent, and that means you will find yourself that you may be saving up to $3,000 every month. And therefore, if this is one product that you may like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That very link will definitely bring you to my bonus page, which is exactly where we are right now. And when you get here, you can grab a copy for yourself using this link or any of the other green links scattered all over this bonus page. And when you do click them, it will take you to the sales page of this very product, where you have this discount pop-up for $3, which gives you, instead of this amount of $17, it gets for $12 now. No, $14. Okay, so that is basically what you have and what this product is all about. And if you stick with me, I will show you through the bonuses that I have for you, and also show you through the software area, and probably show you the demo video for this very product, so that you can see how this product works when it is in action. Okay, that is basically what this one is all about. Okay, now with that said, let us see if we can move forward with this one. Okay, now what is OrangeSuite all about? If you are like most people, you've got your files stored somewhere like Dropbox, your website's hosted somewhere like HostGator, and you are hosting your videos on Wistia or Vimeo, then that's great. But the issue is that this very OrangeSuite is going to help you avoid all those payments that you make monthly basis trying to store your things and host your websites and all that. So it's basically a business in a box, which means you can extend these services to clients and of course charge them at your own price, using this product to put yourself out there on Fiverr or any of the freelancing platforms. So it's a great product as long as I am concerned. With that said, let us see the pricing for this one. Like I told you, it's going to go for front end. OrangeSuite goes for $14, but here it says it has $2 discount, giving it to you at further discount of $12. Okay, now upsell number one, OrangeSuite Pro, goes for premium unlimited features, goes for $27. That means it can complement whatever limitations you have on the front end. You can cover that up with this unlimited version of OrangeSuite. Upsell number two, OrangeSuite VIP, goes for $47, and here you have page builder, graphics SaaS, and you have email autoresponder for your email marketing. Upsell number three, OrangeSuite Enterprise, goes for $27, and here you get 10 of their best money-making products for just 19 cents each. And now you have upsell number four, OrangeSuite Reseller. It goes for $47, which means you can resell this product and keep the profit to yourself 100% across the entire funnel. And here you have OrangeSuite Premium Traffic, which means a traffic source that will help you use this very product to make money. And upsell number six will be OrangeSuite Agency, and it goes for $47. And here are the amazing benefits you have with this: unlimited viral traffic and leads from file sharing pages, host all your videos in one spot, backup and store unlimited files, no limits, and high-speed video embeds for any website or web page. Deliver files at lightning speed with fast CDNs, and it has 90-day money-back guarantee, as I was informed. And with that said, let us go ahead to see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be 0 to 1,000 per day on Autopilot, which is an automation system that will teach you how to automate a business from scratch and have it there running for you even when you are sleeping. My bonus number 2 will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice. My bonus number 3 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, and here you have bonus number 4, how to convert your traffic very fast. One thing is to have traffic, the other one is to convert it, and this is what this hack teaches you to do. Okay, my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses which you will have access to when you eventually click on the 5th icon link of mine on the bonus level. You'll be able to use that, and like I told you before, if you click any of this link, it will take you to the very sales page where you check out on this very product by using any of these links to actually check out on this. If you do, you will definitely have access to. Here will take you exactly to my Water Plus account where you buy this product. When you do, under your purchase history, you are going to find a page that looks exactly like this with 2 buttons. This one gives you access to OrangeSuite, and this one gives you access to my amazing bonuses. And of course, when you pay and buy this one, you'll be able to have access to my free bonuses for this product, and of course all the vendor bonuses as well. And with that said, let us take a look at how this product works and see if we can use that information to actually go ahead. And this is what you have: the dashboard, the lists, campaigns, email templates, servers, domains, API keys, surveys, training, bonus supports, and 3 campaigns, and all the campaigns you have for this one. Yes, welcome back to my channel where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the highest level. Now, this is the sales page you will have access to when you eventually pick up any of the links on my bonus page. They will bring you here, and you use the pop-up coupon to get a further discount. And of course, any of these buttons will take you to the sales Water Plus account of mine where you pay for this one. And at your convenience, you'll be able to go through and see if this is going to be for you. Okay, but I can assure you that if making money online, having your services rendered to people, using this very website to do this very cloud-based product to do your websites and hosting, and of course use it to actually get a lot of things done, landing pages and all the other pages and cloud storage, everything is included in this one, which you will be able to make use of to make money. So that's basically one thing that you get with this one, and for me, I think it's recommended that you get this if you really want to have a business in a box and have your own gigs out there on Fiverr, using this very cloud-based software to make money by giving services to people who outsource you for such services. So that's crazily what this one is all about, and at your convenience, you'll be able to read through this and see all the testimonials and all the information you have, including the very income proofs that you'll be able to get exposed to when you eventually get this place. And this is the bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number 1 from the vendor, new viral traffic hacking software for this amount value. And bonus number 3, commercial reseller license to Vidcrafty, which is this value. And bonus number 4 will be Google Bing email extractor, extract emails and phones from Bing and Google search to and pitch your services or sell products worth this amount of money. And here are the 4 benefits. I think you have another one, I believe, from the vendor. So all these bonuses from the vendor, including 4 from me, will be yours free of charge when you get this product using my link. And with that said, we will try to wrap this one up by going back to where we started, and with that you will be able to use this period of time to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here. And from me, from here, is goodbye.